Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can replace your photo background with a video using a VN video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open up your VN video editor on your mobile phone, and then we can create new project. Select new project and then choose video based since we want to edit video, and then you can prepare a video background for your photo. For example guys, I'm going to select random video from my gallery. I'm going to choose this one for the background of my photo. Okay, prepare photo background for your photo, and you're going to add a photo to this project. So you can go to the PIP to add an overlay, and then we can select photo, and I'm going to choose photo from my pin folder. Wait, I'm still looking for my photo. Okay, from here, let's choose a photo from here. I'm going to select this one. Okay, and then I'm going to remove the background of this photo. If you want to remove, you can go to the Decoded. Okay, and the photo background will be removed automatically. So we can click on Done. Okay, and I'm going to make it bigger like this. Okay, and now the photo background has been replaced with video. Oops, sorry guys. But I think the photo is not suitable for this background. So wait, I'm going to change the photo. I'm going to choose, wait guys, I'm going to choose the landscape photo. But I don't have landscape photo. Okay, just try this one. Go to Decoded. Alright, and this is the final result. Okay, and on VN video editor guys, we can only remove the background of our photo, not the background of the video. So we have coded option just for photo. Okay, for the photo you will have coded option to remove the background of your photo automatically. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove that's how we can replace the background of our photo with video using VN. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.